Pero like, who needs Brazilian bundles when you can have a little synthetic cute half wig? Like, alrighty, so we're starting out. My hair, I just washed it. It's really dark too because I actually just dyed it back to black. Like, it was brown. The color I had dyed it over the summer had faded out to like my natural hair color, so I just dyed it back to black. One, because I wanted to match this wig, but also I don't know, like I feel like black for the winter is just the vibe that I'm on. So yeah, we're black. So for this wig, this is literally a 10-minute hairstyle for me, if that. Sometimes I think I could get it down in like 7 minutes. Like, it's super fast. I don't even be like doing a lot because it's supposed to be like something I can just throw on and kind of be out the door. So I section out my hair from one side of my head behind my ear all the way to the other, kind of like a half up, half down, but I'm not putting my hair up. I can though. Like, I actually have a video on my channel that I did with this exact same wig years ago that I think has like almost 100,000 views or something like that. I don't even know, but it has a lot of views because it was a quick little hairstyle that I did with this half wig. I think I want this to be like a series on my channel. Like, my hair is like so fucked up. Like, I cut it. It's so bad. Like, it's so bad, but it's just like, I don't care. Like, I literally could care less. Anyway, so I'm just gonna take some of this Jamaican black castor oil shea moisture product. This is the strengthen and restore styling lotion. Sorry, I'm also like kind of like a little sick, but not really, but kind of, but yeah. Oh my god. And put it on my hair because I should put something on it, right? Like, something should go on my hair so that it's just not like dry and just disgusting. I need someone to take care of this. Like, what is this? It's not even even. Like, I have a layer here that's not on this side. I literally, like, I could be like extra or just not lazy and braid my hair down, but I literally put it in a bun because it's curly hair, so it's like you can't even tell that you would have a bun underneath that half wig because it's so like voluminous. And yeah, so I just put this shit in a bun. So yeah, we got the bun going on back here. I'm just gonna take that scrunchie and just wrap it around the bun, try and get the bun as small as possible, like as flush to my head. But again, it really, like, it doesn't matter because of the way the wig is. Like, it's very voluminous, it's very big, nice curls, and it's layered, so you will not be able to tell that you have a bun on underneath your wig. And then I have this hair up here. So my hair is like somewhat wet. I'm gonna take some more of that Strengthen and Restore Styling Lotion. I'm pretty generous with this because my hair is really dry. There we go. This is the Shea Moisture Curl and Style Milk. I really love this stuff. She's thick, she gives me definition, and moisturizes my hair. Because my hair is thick. This is for thick curly hair, so definitely got that. It's just hella dry too. And then I take my detangling brush and I just brush the product through my hair. And I always scrunch my curls, like I bunch them up and just go like this, because I feel like it helps define them a little bit better. And then the last product I like to use is the Coconut and Hibiscus Hold and Shine Moisture Mist. This just makes my hair look healthy, even though it's not. It's all about disguising your unhealthy hair to look healthy. That's what this whole this whole tutorial is about. So I just spray that on my roots, and then I also spray it on the ends too, because it just adds a nice shine, but then a little bit more definition. So I feel like it matches the half wig a little bit better. This is actually my second bottle. Like, I go through this stuff like crazy. Okay, so this is one side compared to the other. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. One, hey, I take the girl I want, skirt. I take the skirt when I want, skirt. This wig right here, ooh, I don't know, baby. This wig right here, this is the truth, okay? This is a cute ass wig. I honestly, like I said, I've been using this wig. Like, I had this wig years ago, bought it a couple times, tired out the style, and then I was like, okay, let me try it on the nose. But like, I'm always gonna come back to this wig because it's so damn affordable. It looks so cute. Every time I wear it, people think it's my natural hair. Like, I feel like it matches my curl pattern really good. I have like a 3B, 3C curl pattern, and I just love this wig. And it's only it cost me $17.99. Honey, I think it's worth it, okay? Like, she real cute. $20 hairstyle in 10 minutes. Like, I've worn this wig maybe about 6 or 7 times already, and I think the more that you wear it, the more natural it looks, because it just like fluffs out, it gets more volume, it gets a bit frizzier. Straight out of the package though, it looks really cute too. The curls are nice and tight and defined, and it looks really nice. I'll put a picture up of when I wore it like straight out the package, and it looked hella good. That picture got mad likes on Instagram too. If you're not following me on Instagram, you need to go follow the girl on Instagram, okay? I'm gonna have my Instagram on the screen, and I'm gonna have a link in the description box down below so you can follow me on Instagram. So it has 2 combs. It has one big comb right at the top, and then it has another one at the bottom. So I just slide the combs in. I do the one at the top first, right on top of that right there. And then I take it and I just pull it over my bun, and I slide it in on the bottom comb right at the nape of the neck. And then I take the wig, the half wig, on the sides here, because it's kind of loose, because there's like a lot of space there actually. Like, you could have, I could probably pull it up a little bit more actually, yeah, but let me slide that in. Yeah. Okay, now it feels a bit firmer, a bit more snug. Then I take some bobby pins. I usually do like 2 on each side, and I just bobby pin the sides down, like right behind my ear. I'm like letting you guys know like all my tricks right now. Like, this is how I really be catfishing people that I got these bundles in. I really know. Like, I'm bald headed. I usually like will pull out some of the hair that I had covered. Ooh. But yeah, once my hair dries, nah, you can't tell me nothing. This should be looking like that's my hair, okay? Oh, see, like she a little naughty, cause I be wearing this shit. I be in the club, I be throwing it back, and I be like, yes. It's like big. Ooh, it's big, it's voluminous, it's Diana Ross. And like, you literally can't tell You literally can't tell that I have a whole bun under here. Like, you can't see that. You can't see nothing, okay? Oh crap. I probably shouldn't have put on a black shirt. Do you think that matters? You guys can see the hair though, right? Like, you could see it. Should I not have put on? You guys can see it. Maybe I should change my shirt. But this is a really cute shirt. I like the turtleneck. I'm gonna change my shirt. But yeah, look, this wig is just everything. Like, honestly, $20, $17.99. Like, little like, who needs Brazilian bundles when you can have a little synthetic cute half wig? Like, so if you enjoyed today's upload, today's video, then make sure you smash that like button down below. It looks like this, the thumbs up button. Just make sure you click that down below. You can also go ahead and join the fam. Click the subscribe button because I know you guys want to see more uploads from me. So if you subscribe, then I'll do more uploads. Like, it's that easy. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Don't forget, you are smart, you are beautiful, and people love you. And I can't wait to see you at my next upload. Bye.